Hi, Annette. I was looking at how to find high school level books, reading level books in the Green Valley Middle School library. And so the best way to do it, I think, is to go by Lexile. I pulled up a Lexile chart, and you can see right here that ninth grade is 1040 and 12th grade ends at 1440. So your range is 1040 to 1440. So in Destiny, I don't know what this little thing is there. Okay, so in Destiny, by the search bar, you just hit the plus sign, scroll down here to reading programs, choose Lexile, go all the way down, and it's 1040 to 1440, and then click Set Options, and then click the search button, and you're going to get over 200 books. I don't know why it's doing that. You're going to get over 200 books in your results. Now, that's still a lot to go through. So if you click the filter, you can choose, well, let's see, reading level. What's that going to give us? Yeah. So pages. So maybe they need to be a certain number of pages, so at least over 200. That might be a good way. And so now we only have books that have at least 200 pages. And these, I can tell by looking at these titles that these are high end, high level books. They're high level books. So plenty to choose from there. So you're not limited to just a few titles. So I hope that helps you out. Awesome. Let me know if there's anything else.